Come test drive the 2015 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.